Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video for the 21st of September, 2011. Looks like the weather not quite as wet today. Cold front coming in here late tomorrow night, early Friday. Weekend getting close. A lot to talk about. New tropical storm. So let's go in there and take a look at the early hour of 5 o'clock this morning. This is the view coming from downtown Fayette, up in northwest Alabama. Head up north to Cullman. Looks like a little fog there. That's U.S. Highway 278, just east of downtown Cullman. And downtown Jasper is seen from the King Building in Walker County. You can see that that little wave that brought some really big rain to the state yesterday has moved on to the east. In the wake of that, the air should be a little drier today. Still, there's the chance of showers and storms, but they should be more widely spaced. The sun comes back at times, and we're expecting highs up in the middle 80s today. There's the radar at 5:02 a.m. Still raining over parts of Cleburne and Randolph counties in East Alabama, and that's about it. So again, today should be warmer, brighter, not as wet. Still a chance of showers, but again, they should be fairly widely spaced today. Temperatures, man, look at the cold air coming in behind that strong wave up north. Readings are in the 30s all the way down into Colorado. But around here, pretty mild. Temperatures this morning are mostly in the 60s. Convective outlook today, again, no organized severe weather expected. We've got the standard convection possible here, and the same thing tomorrow in advance of that next surface boundary. But again, anything really organized is not likely. Had a few severe thunderstorm warnings yesterday, but again, those were pretty isolated. Here's the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock, and this is showing rain amounts of 1 to 2 inches for much of the state. And this does count the rain we had last night starting at 7. And again, there should be another round of showers with this next front late tomorrow night into Friday morning. Not so sure we get that much, but we'll see. All right, there's our new tropical storm, Ophelia, in the Atlantic, about halfway between the coast of Africa and the Lesser Antilles. Satellite shot of the thing this morning, the maximum sustained winds based on satellite estimation techniques, 45 miles an hour, so it's not overly strong. Moving west at 13. Modeling has clearly shifted to the right. And again, typically when systems get up in that region north of Puerto Rico, they tend to recurve. And certainly with the idea of a big trough setting up over the eastern U.S. early next week, that recurvature idea seems to be the most likely track at this point, not affecting the United States. There's the intensity guidance. Most models keep it as a tropical storm, couple bringing up to a Category 1 hurricane. And the official track is on the left side of the guidance. It's got it north of Puerto Rico late Sunday night, but again, most models are farther north than that. So again, we'll monitor that, but odds are this will not be a Gulf storm. As we talked about, sure looks like the year of the Atlantic storm, and most of them recurving Atlantic storms. We'll check the GFS. This is the OZ run, valid at 7 o'clock local time this evening. Strong upper low north of us. Vorticity coming down through that over Nebraska. And down below that, again, the deeper moisture is off to the east. And looks like a partly sunny and warm day today with highs up in the maybe mid-80s. Very warm, summer-like, with the sun breaking through at times. And again, clearly in this environment with dew points, in the mid to upper 60s, there could be a few scattered showers this afternoon, maybe a thunderstorm in spots, but they should be fairly widely spaced. All right, tomorrow, we've got that cold front coming in. And again, I think there'll be some sun at times. But clearly a chance of showers and storms by afternoon. We stay warm with mid-80s likely, very much like summer. But then tomorrow night, the rain chances probably go up with the front coming in. And then on Friday, very deep trough forming over the east. Upper low north and down below that, this is Friday evening at 7 o'clock. The surface boundary is near Montgomery. And so what we'll do on Friday is maintain the chance of a few stray showers during the morning. Then the sky becoming partly sunny Friday afternoon. Weather should be a bit cooler with a high closer to 80 degrees or so. But I think the rain will be over in time for the high school football games, and there's Saturday as we kick off the weekend. Still looks good. The sky should be mostly sunny with low 80s. Again, a pretty decent day. We'll start the morning probably in the upper 50s. We'll go to Sunday. Now, we've got a very deep upper low north of us, and that always is problematic. This has the showers north of here. Some runs have shown showers across North Alabama. We're going to mention just the chance of a shower Sunday afternoon. Nothing beyond that. Partly sunny, highs probably upper 70s maybe. And there's Monday. The upper low is over Ohio. We've seen some runs that are farther south. The placement of that will really determine cloud cover and rain chances. And again, this run looks pretty dry on Monday. And again, I think the best thing to do is to mention a slight chance of a shower. And if this trend keeps up, we can take that out. So again, for Sunday, maybe an afternoon shower. Monday, slight chance of a shower. Rain, not a big deal at all both days. As Tuesday of next week, we're dry. And a week from today, dry with highs probably around 80 and lows in the 50s. Pretty decent early fall weather. Check the end of the forecast, the 6th of October. You know, the model has been showing a high amplitude pattern almost every time, but the placement of the ridges and troughs are just different every time. This has a ridge over the central U.S. and troughs on either coast, and that shows us in a dry northwest flow aloft. And again, some evidence of tropical mischief east of Maine and down there in the Yucatan Channel. And clearly, I do think with the next MJO pulse, there could be some increase in tropical mischief over the next 15 days. But again, it just seems like the pattern favors all of that action being over in the Atlantic. Could there be a Gulf storm? Yes, but again, no hard evidence of that just yet. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. 4, 5, 6. I forget whether to do 4 o'clock. 4, 5, 6, and 10. Have a great day, and God bless.
Being Alabama's news leader means digging deeper to get you the facts, working harder so you have all sides of the story, and not being afraid to tell the truth. Every day you award us by making ABC 3340 Alabama's most watched news. And now the Associated Press has named us Alabama's most outstanding news operation. That's 9 times since 1996, more than all other stations combined. And that's 9 more reasons you should trust the news leader. ABC 3340.